Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in our edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, December the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. 4-star Sudoku. 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. And a binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 9783. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.